This small water pond is right next to this beautiful monuments, architectures, this building. Wow, some peace, right? Peace, peace, and peace. Seville, Spain. Wow, you must need to come. Here comes the beautiful, nice water right next to this architectures, these buildings. Look at this. Is that beautiful? Nice souvenir stores, gift stores you can buy right next to Plaza de Espana. Look at this. The true culture of Spain. It's all about colors, beautiful aura. Beautiful color aura comes through music, dance, food, and from your pure spirit. This is Plaza de Espana, Seville, Spain. Look at this, I'm buying a flamenco dress. Oh, beautiful, right? Es que, ¿cómo se dice en español? Vestidos por flamenco. Sí.
Flamenca.
Ah, sí. Y hablar. Hola, ole, ole, ole. Okay.